Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular question, what is different is that it does not have the thingy, one value is missing. Okay, so what I have done is that, so this is your given data, right? This will be given in your question, right? And then I've put it in the column format, and then the frequency has also been there, right? And then what I have done is I've figured out the medium value of the class, right? Middle value of the class. And then the third column is basically you're multiplying the frequency with the middle value, right? So this is it. And then in case of k, look at over here, what I have done basically is that just multiply, just keep it as k, and then when your total frequency is also been when you're computing the summation of f as well, summation of f or n, you can call it anything, right? So 30 plus k, right? So you'll have to write 30 plus k, okay? And then in this case as well, so your frequency will be, you'll add up all the rest of them and you will just leave these at the side, okay? In this thing as well, same thing. So 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2, right? So you can just add it up as well. So basically 10, right? 15, and then 20, 27, 30, right? So 30 plus k, right? Okay, this k has been just kept at the side, okay? And then just apply your formula, since we know x bar is equals to summation fx divided by n, right? So what's our summation fx then? It's 4735 plus 157.5k, right? So what's our n over here, or number of frequency? It's basically 30 plus k, right? Or so now what we do is basically multiply this with this, okay? So how much do we get? Basically if you're multiplying that, so 157.75, right? 157.75 into 30, 4732.5, right? Plus 157.75k, right? And then 4735 plus 157.5k, okay? So there is a difference over here, always don't be confused, okay? So it's quite tricky question over here. So what we need to do is bring this over here, okay? So bring the k and k together. So 157.75k minus 157.50k, okay? So it's 0.5, right? So you can write 50k, right? And then 4735 minus 4732.5, right? So when you subtract 157.75 minus this one, you'll get 0.25k, okay? And then in the other side, when you subtract this from this, you will basically get 2.5, okay? So your total k will be 2.5 divided by 0.25. So this should be 1 by 4, right? So it should be 8.5, I guess. So 2.5 divided by 0.25, 10, okay? It's 10, okay? So this is how we basically compute the frequency, okay? So after that it's pretty easy, right? So whenever, if you are not given the frequency, first of all what we basically do is basically we just make our table, we put our frequencies, find the middle value, and then when you are adding the frequency, add all those number except the k or the missing frequency, okay? You can suppose it to be a, b, whatever you wanna like, right? And then fx is always you multiply it with that, and then when you're multiplying with the missing frequency, just keep it as it is, okay? And then when you're adding it up, add all the rest, leave this at the side, plus just make it as like that, okay? After that, apply your formula, x bar is equals to summation fx divided by n, and then basically what you do is put in, you will be given the mean value, okay, in this kind of problem, because if you are not given the mean, then you can't basically find out two values, right? So you will be basically given that, okay? So summation of fx has been computed, just put that value in, frequency also, total frequency, put that in, and then after that basically multiply this with this, right? You will get some answer over here, and then you'll have something over here as well. So what we do is k and k, we bring it at the same side, right? And then we leave it at the rest, okay? The numerical digits, we leave it at the side, okay? And then after that, subtract this from this, you will get 0.25k is equals to 2.5k, right? So after that, your k will be 2.5 divided by 0.25, okay? And then hence your answer will be 10, okay? So whenever you're given the missing frequency, all you need to do is just keep it at the side and then compute it as regularly. You will basically get your answer, okay? So yeah, this is how we solve this kind of problem. If you are given this kind of problem, it will be given in group B, okay, not in group A. Always remember that. And yeah, if you have any confusions regarding this sort of question, please do comment down below or send me the question in the comment below, and then I'll look at it. Okay, until next time, bye bye.